Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint's channel. Today we will be giving you a detailed overview of the product detail page. Once you enter the product detail page, you can see the product imaging displayed. You can switch between images to view the product from different angles. On the right side of the product images, you will find the basic product information, such as the title, cost, size, and text. Click the heart icon in the top right corner to add the product to your My Family list, making it easy to quickly access your My Family products later. The My Family list can be found at the bottom of the product catalog. You can go to the time and cost of shipping the products to the United States from the shipping information, and you can also intuitively understand the product's material, production process, and the production time. Click Design to enter the mockup generator and add your design to the product. For personalized products, no design is required. You can add text and images, then add the item to your cart. If you are a seller, simply choose to sync it to your store. At the bottom of the page, you can view the detailed information about the product, description, introduction about the product's material, features, and other details, size guide, view the measurements for each size, with the option to switch between metric and imperial units. Shipping, check the shipping time and cost to your target country, as well as the product's packaging details. Design guides introduce the precautions for product design and printing, and provides product design templates. Surface highlights the additional surface JetPrint offers for this product. Review, you can leave a review or view reviews from customers who have already purchased the product. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.